Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer AWS CLI credentials to a new computer. Beginner guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have access to your AWS account and the AWS command line interface. Open your terminal or command prompt on the original computer. Type the command AWS configure list to view your current AWS CLI credentials. Note down the access key ID, secret access key, and default region name. Next, navigate to the AWS CLI configuration directory. On Windows, this is usually located in C/users/your username /.aws/. On macOS or Linux, it is typically found in /.aws/. In this directory, you will find two files, config and credentials. Open the credentials file in a text editor. Copy the contents, which include your access key ID and secret access key. Now, open the config file in the same text editor. Check for the profile name you want to use, usually default. With both files copied, switch to your new computer. Ensure the AWS CLI is installed on your new computer. Access the same configuration directory on the new computer. Create a new folder called .os if it does not already exist. Open the credentials file in the new .os directory. Paste the copied credentials into this file. Open the config file in the new .os directory. Paste the copied configuration settings into this file. Save both files and close the text editor. To verify the transfer, open a terminal or command prompt on your new computer. Type AWS configure list to check if your credentials are set up correctly. If everything appears as expected, your AWS CLI credentials have been successfully transferred. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.